Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got this tire machine to get taken care of. I've been looking for one for quite a while. Handful of months. Everybody wants $1,000 for a broken one. I managed to pick this up for $300. The price of a Lincoln Welder. And yes, it does not work. We hooked up shop air to it, and it's dumping out, well, it looks like a volume chamber. And the hose is bad. But for the price, can't complain. Gonna get it vacuumed out, and then gonna pressure wash it and get it in the garage with the crane we desperately stuffed back on the truck in an hour and a half. Because something like this does not stay available for very long. Now let's get this cleaned up. This little Milwaukee pack out shop vac, this thing works amazing. Let's get this thing cleaned out. Okay guys, we got it in here. Relatively easy. Usually I just use a skid steer, but I blew out a hose yesterday and they still haven't got me my new one made up yet. Got a lot of work to do to this guy, but $300, not bad at all.